Are you ready to discover how AI can help you make money online faster than you ever imagined? Today I'm revealing 5 legit AI tools that are changing the game. And no, these are not scams. These are real powerful tools that people are using right now to build side hustles, full-time incomes, and more. Let's go. First up, we've got ChatGPT, your new best friend when it comes to writing and content creation. If you're full of ideas but can't stand the thought of writing, or you just want to get things done faster, ChatGPT can write blog posts, social media captions, even YouTube scripts. People are making money right now by offering freelance writing services or creating content for their own blogs. Imagine getting paid $20 to $100 an hour, all from the comfort of your home. Combine it with tools like Grammarly for polished results, and you've got a money-making machine. Next, Canva Pro plus AI is a game changer. If you thought Canva was just for amateurs, think again. With AI tools like Magic Design and AI Background Remover, you can now design logos, ebook covers, social media graphics, and more, all in a fraction of the time. You can sell these designs on Etsy, create print-on-demand products, or even pitch clients directly. That's some serious potential. Now let's talk about Jasper AI. If you're into marketing, Jasper is your new secret weapon. It creates high-quality SEO blog posts, sales emails, and ad copy that actually converts. Imagine getting paid $25 to $75 per hour just by using Jasper to write killer copy. You can start offering high-paying copywriting services or boost your own online business. And all it takes is a bit of creativity and Jasper's power. Want to take it one step further? Pictory is the ultimate tool for creating videos, fast. It turns your blog posts or scripts into full videos, complete with voiceovers, stock footage, captions, and music, all in just minutes. This is huge for anyone wanting to start a YouTube channel or create content for influencers. You can charge $20 to $60 per video or make $30 plus per hour creating video content for businesses. The best part? It's all automated, so you can scale up in no time. Last but not least, let's talk about Notion AI. This tool isn't just about staying organized, it's about making money. With Notion, you can create digital templates, planners, and systems that you can sell on Etsy or Gumroad. So there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools that can help you make money online, fast. Whether you want to freelance, sell products, or launch a content brand, these tools can cut your work time in half and help you start earning right away. Here's the surprise. What if I told you there's one tool that can do even more than these combined? Want to know which one it is? Keep watching.